All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge's case number JVB 1065, McIntosh case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay, just straight like that?
Yeah, straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad. Everything cooking good. Good loving. So we got a kid.
Okay.
We'll say, okay, so when the kid arrived, that kind of changed. You know, Dad got put on the back burner.
Interview okay? Pause for a second. Did you catch that? Dad already feels neglected just because the baby is getting attention. But parenting isn't a competition. This brings up an important legal point. Courts consider both financial and emotional support when deciding custody and child support. The real question is Dad here for the child, or is this about something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think has the stronger case so far?
And, you know, sometimes I'm not understanding. I say, what happened to Dad? You know, you let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, you know, I got the baby. No. Put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You forgot about
don't help
Daddy.
around the house. You know, it's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby.
though.
It's just all about the baby.
The baby don't
what
know
happened to
better.
baby?
Yeah, but you can't forget about Daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
Daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about it. See what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby. That baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No, still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothed and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult, so you know how to take care of
I'm
yourself.
helping. She's not doing nothing by herself. I am also helping. So once I always give her a break, so I can get some daddy time, some us time, get that back. You know, it was great at first, but it just.
You say at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah. But
Okay.
then the baby just popped up and I'm like, you know, she forgot about me. And so I try to, you know, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem.
Do y'all still live together?
He should be paying, not the other way around. Who else saw this coming? Interview, and that's a wrap on the McIntosh case. Dad tried to flip the tables, but ended up losing big time. The court saw right through his claims, and let's be real, he would have been the one paying child support if Mom had filed.
Assuming it's not a baby anymore.
The child's about 6.
6, okay.
Yeah, had him right kind of early.
Okay.
And that kind of, I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by having the kid so early. And it should have waited a little while, but hey, baby wanted to come, so baby's here now. So
the baby wanted to come.
the baby wanted to be here, so like I said, I help out to try to get, you know, give her a break or something. Maybe bring up some wine and cook for her every night. I don't you know, but it don't seem to, it's just like, I guess you're going to do that after, I don't know what you call it, after the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to
Postpartum.
Yeah, what you said.
Exactly,
Yeah.
that's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's going to be a
Nah,
disconnect.
not for 5 years.
How you going to tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it? So how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, you know, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why
It's
I try. That's why I
mental
take.
issues.
That's why I
Can
try
Can
to
we
take.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
It's my
I try
child.
to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming from, because depression is a mental thing. You know, there's medication. Some people have suicidal thoughts. You don't even know you never even tried to ask me what I was going through or how I even felt.
She makes a good point.
Okay, I'll
So
take that.
it takes a lot. It takes a lot for you to understand where I'm coming from. You can't just assume, okay, I'm not just trying to tend to you. I have to tend to my mental health and my child. That takes a lot of work.
But I can't read your mind. I don't know.
But you never tried to even talk to her, try to understand me from that point.
Did the two of you come here to waste my time?
I mean, he's the one that called it in here. I'm just here. I mean, he obviously wanted me to do something.
Obviously, and I'm just trying to get to what
He's
that
wasting
something
both of our
is.
times.
I want full custody and I want child support.
How you
Okay.
gonna get full
The
custody
child
when I'm
live with
taking
you?
care of the kid?
This case highlights a crucial legal lesson. Custody battles aren't about ego. They're about what's best for the child. What do you think about today's
Kind of between right about now. But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a
I've been
job.
with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she not working, she behind bars.
Wait a minute. Behind bar.
Yeah,
wait
yeah.
a minute,
I
Mr.
have a reason for
McIntosh.
that.
Let me move over here to her so I can
okay.
hear her side of the story. What is this behind bars?
Well, because of how he's been feeling, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, you know, me and my girl did some digging and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
So you went and found his
sure
new
did. I
girlfriend?
whipped her butt.
He
I
did not
sure
have to
did.
jump on it.
While she was at
I
work?
did. Because he's not
Ooh.
about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
No
so
reason.
I did.
Should Mom take action? Drop your thoughts below. And hey, if you love courtroom drama and real legal insights, hit that like button, subscribe to Cafe Stories, and turn on notifications so you never miss a case breakdown.
There was no reason.
It's nothing
That
else
was
I can
uncalled
do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your child. You gonna cheat on me? No, it's not gonna fly.
Oh.
Well, what happened to the depression? What happened to all that? You can't
Oh,
take
it's in
what
there.
happened to all that?
That's
You
one of the
gonna fight.
side
You gonna fight
effects.
my new
though.
girlfriend.
That's
but
one of the
what's
side
the
effects.
baby while you
though.
fighting?
That's one of the side effects.
That's a great
though.
question.
Yeah,
What
you
was the
fighting
baby
with a
while
baby.
you were fighting?
Because I'm upset. I'm mad, and then you're not even
And y'all
trying
have
to
me
make
saying,
me
baby,
feel
what
better.
was the
What
child
was the
while you
child
were
while you were
fighting?
fighting my girlfriend?
Oh, that was taken care of. My sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she was watching the kid, and she bailed me out.
Oh.
She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I
for
guess
her,
you
you
talk to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I tried to talk to you.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting
Obviously
into
not,
it.
because you don't even try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to
No.
my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a soul case.
But she didn't
can't
do it in
keep a
front of
job.
the-
She can't keep a job.
How
Okay,
can I
what do
keep
you
a
do
job
for a
when I'm taking care
living?
of the kid?
I'm in the entertainment business.
What does that mean?
I produce.
Yeah, he
What are you
producing, all right.
producing?
I got several artists I'm trying to produce right now in the music business. So
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
Okay.
Producer.
Have they already produced some music?
that's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're going to be okay.
And what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay. All right. And you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.